But let's find out a little bit more about all the action in the primary markets, because that has been very dominant through the year 2023. In fact, we've seen a total of 49 listings, the latest, of course, being Tata Technologies, which was a blockbuster debut yesterday. What have been some of the best listings then for the year 2023, and how have they performed post their listing? Let's get in Vamakshi. She joins in with the details. Vamakshi?
Well, yes, the primary markets have been a buzz of late, and in fact this year itself we saw nearly 49 companies make their debut on D Street, and quite interesting to note that nearly 83% of them have managed to post listing day gains on the day of their listing. Now let's also assess the how IPOs have performed on their listing. Tata Tech definitely tops this list. The stock listed with a significant premium yesterday and in fact continued to surge in trade, closing with a listing day gain of almost 163%. Apart from that, IdeaForge Tech and Utkarsh Small Finance Bank also managed to post listing day gains of over 90%. IREDA, a newly listed player, also managed to make it to the list with a listing day gain of almost 88%, and Netweb Tech also posted a listing day gain of almost 82%. But let's also assess how some of the IPOs have performed in the last 5 years on the listing day itself. We have Sigachi topping the list. The company made a debut on D Street with a listing day gain of almost 270%. We also have the likes of Paras Defense, Latent View, Burger King, IRCTC, Happiest Minds, Tattva Chintan, Indigo Paints, as well as GR Infra projects, which have actually managed to double their investors' return on the listing day itself. Now, it is also important to assess how these counters have fared after they were listed. So, after the listing day, let's see how these counters have performed. Well, 5 out of 9 stocks have actually declined from the closing price on the listing day till now. There's only one stock, Latent View, that has actually been flat since the close on listing day, and there have been 3 other counters, which includes the likes of Paras Defense, Happiest Minds, and IRCTC, which have actually managed to sustain those listing day gains, and in fact they've moved up from there as well. IRCTC, notably, they have managed to gain almost 384.9% from the close on listing day gain. Apart from that, Happiest Minds has also managed to surge by almost 126% since its listing. So all in all, keep an eye out on the primary markets, because definitely they have been a buzz of late.